welcome to Chris Cook for You Too. Keeping up with the holiday table, we're going to do what I think is an awesome drink for you to have on your holiday table. I'm going to show you how to make cranberry ginger holiday punch. I think it's going to be a great addition to your holiday table, and even after your holiday, you can use it. For those of you who likes spirits, you can use it as a mixer for your spirit. So let's get started with the ingredients that you're going to need. You're going to need pineapples, apple juice, ginger beer. This is not actual beer. This is just the name. I don't even know why the name is ginger beer, because it could have been ginger ale, because that's really what it's kind of like. The only thing is I think it has a stronger fizz to it. You're going to need cranberry juice cocktail, and you're going to need some ginger ale. Now, as always, your ingredients are going to be listed in the description box. And this is not the holiday. I'm just making enough where I can show you the visual on how this should be done. So let's get started. So you're going to need a pitcher, and this is just my pitcher from the kitchen just so I can show you. And here I'm going to take the juice of the pineapples. It was a can of pineapples. I'm going to take the juice as well as the pineapples, and I'm going to put them into my container. And I'm going to add the apple juice. Into the apple juice, I'm going to add my ginger beer. Now, like I told you, I'll put your ingredients for a picture that's going to be a lot larger than this. I'll put the ingredients in the description box, and then you just go ahead and make it accordingly. I'm going to need my cranberry juice cocktail, and I'm only going to use half of this. That's about half. And then I'm going to finish out my container with my ginger ale. So whatever left, you just go ahead and finish filling it with your ginger ale. Now I'm going to stir this up, and then I'm going to add this to my glass just to show you what this festive treat actually looks like. I'm going to stir it. And then I'm going to pour it up. Now, this is really a festive drink. I think that you're truly going to enjoy it. And it's a great addition for your holiday table. So when you get through trying to get all of that food down, you have a nice beverage in order to use, in order to get the rest of that food down. Now, I have a glass here that I frosted. You don't have to frost your glass. I've also added some ice, and to help decorate it, I've added some chunks of pineapple. There it is, and if you want to garnish this with some fruit, you can go ahead and do it. But I think that that's going to be a great addition to complement your Thanksgiving dinner, your Christmas, or your New Year's dinner. And go ahead, all that's left over, try it with some spirits. I think you're truly going to enjoy it. Well, that's what we have for you today. Chris is making that holiday cranberry ginger holiday punch. Thank you for watching Chris Cook for You Too. Bye. Enjoy. Please follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Chris Cook for You Too. And don't forget to share this video. Bye.